another unboxing time! So, ngayon guys, ay nag-order tayo guys sa Lazada na flashcard guys. Gagamitin ko siya guys na para i-familiarize yung mga need ko pang i-review guys. So, tara guys! Join with me, unboxing with Maria. Ito na guys. Bali guys, ang SRP niya is 145 pesos guys. Kasama na guys yung shipping fee niya. As you can see naman guys ay naka-bubble wrap. Safe na safe siya guys. Wait naman yung seller. Ano nga? Yan. Another guys. Another bag. Yan. Ito siya guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Meron na siya guys kasama na ring. Isa guys pink kasi favorite color ko is pink. Pero nakita ko guys sa review is makapal daw yung white. So tingnan natin guys. Nakapal nga yung white niya guys. So mai-note na ako dito guys.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! So, ito na siya guys. So, ito na yung finished product ni Inday. Bali, nag-second order guys kasi nga nagkulang. So, yun yung lahat. Thank you guys. If you like my video guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. See you in my next vlog guys. God bless you all. Bye!
I got so much motherfucking design on right now.